Hey, did you hear the great news for FHA homebuyers? Starting March 20th, the FHA MIP premiums, FHA's equivalent to conventional PMI, will be reduced from 0.85% to 0.55%. However, Movement Mortgage is always a step ahead, but wait, what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means lower monthly mortgage payments, creating increased affordability. For instance, most of my clients are going to pay about $800 less every year in monthly mortgage payments due to these changes. For an example, on a $280,000 purchase price, the monthly mortgage insurance premium would be $190.42. And today, the same sales price of $280,000, the new monthly mortgage insurance premium is $123.21. That's a difference of $67 a month. So if you times that by 12, that's $806 in a yearly savings. I don't know about you, but that's a big deal for me. For more details, contact a Movement loan officer today and let's get closing.